Hi everyone, so I want to unbox with you this beautiful style which is new to the Modixx collection by Wille called Savelli Mono in Beige Multi Tipped. I have reviewed this one but in a different color. So if you're interested in more detail, I will pop this up on here somewhere. But let's unbox this one. This comes with a net to just keep everything where it should be. Let's look at the cap construction. So you have a mono part that is fairly wide, so you have a little bit of parting options in this space here, and it goes all the way back to the crown, so it will give you that really natural look up to the crown. It has an extended scalloped lace front, which I adore. Scalloped lace fronts, because they haven't got that edge, but they are scalloped, they blend more seemingly with your skin and therefore look, I think, really, really natural, because you don't necessarily see that straight line. And then you have open wefts sides and back, velvet covered ear tabs, an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. And there is a little bit of stretch in this cap and not too much. Let's look at this color, Beige Multi Tipped, beautiful color. There is no root. You can see there are kind of flips in and out, really natural look. These are heat-friendly fibers, so you can change if you don't like those flips, or if you want to add waves and curls to it, etc. You can do that. And let me pop this on. So it's a longer style. And when you put it on, 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where your hairline should sit, so this needs to move back a bit. There you go. And there it, oh. And there's this gorgeous wig. Oh, look how beautiful this is. So I like doing this because I think if the fibers go this way, it just looks more natural, in my personal opinion, or at least on me. So I always like to do that first, because it's not a permanent change. So it just gives me an idea what I can do with this wig. Let me show you from all sides. So let's look at that lace front, that scalloped lace front. I mean, it's not there. It's completely invisible. So when I lift it, there you can see it, but it just kind of melts into the skin. And overall, this is really well done. This is just such a pretty style. Really low density. Can't really feel any permatease here. There might be a little bit, but not much at all. I think it's a really nice, low, natural density. So tell me what you think of Savelli Mono by Wille from the Modixx collection. I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box so you can find it easily. And don't forget to use my code K20, which will give you 20% off at Advance Trendco. And don't forget, they ship worldwide. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.